Hello class, let us get into our seats so we can start our lesson. Did you know before clocks were invented, people used the sun to tell them what time was according to an object's shadow? Does anyone know what I'm describing? Does anybody know what I'm describing? Yes, Mallory?
A clock.
That is so close, but it's actually called a sundial. A sundial is an instrument showing the time by the shadow of a pointer cast by the sun onto a plate marked with the hours of the day. What else do we use a clock for? Yes, Mallory?
For cooking and telling the time.
Yes. You also want to remember before we start our homework or classwork, you want to remember to raise your hand if you have a question that you want me to answer, because I will not answer any questions if you don't have your hand raised. You also want to make sure you have your worksheet on in front of you, because that's what we're going to be using for this entire lesson. This lesson is more important to you because of the fact that you use clocks for everything, even when it comes from cooking to driving a car or just from getting to places, making sure that you're on time. Okay. So, everyone touch the first clock on your worksheet. Bam. Which is the minute hand? Yes, Mallory?
The big hand.
Yes. What does the minute hand tell you to count by? Yes, Mallory?
5.
Correct. Where do you start counting? Yes, Mallory?
The top of the clock.
Yes. What do you say at the top of the clock?
Start at 0.
Yes. So, we're going to figure out the minutes. Touch 12. So, we're going to touch 12 right here. And then you're going to count as I clap. So, we're going to count. So, we're going to start 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 45. How many minutes?
45 minutes.
We're going to repeat that because of the fact that I didn't hear everybody in the class saying the numbers. So, we're going to start at 12 again. So, we're going to start right here. So, we're going to do 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. How many minutes?
40 minutes.
We're going to repeat that again because I don't think the long hand is pointing towards where the 45 would be, where the 40 would be. So, we're going to do this one more time. So, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. How many minutes is that?
45 minutes.
Correct. So we're going to write 45 right here in front of the beginning of the word minutes. So we're going to do 45. Okay. Now touch the hour hand. Tell me about the hour. Yes, Mallory?
The hour hand is the smaller hand that tells what the hour is.
Yes, but where is the small hand located?
It is pointing at 6 o'clock.
Yes. So what we're going to do is that we're going to write 6 after the word after. So now tell me what the clock says. Yes, Mallory?
6:45.
Yes. But what do we write down? Yes, Mallory?
45 minutes after 6.
Correct. Nice work, everybody. Does anybody have any questions?